1. Hook C/CD pipelines promise speed and efficiency, but they often crash and burn in real-world projects. Why? Let's uncover the hidden reasons behind their failures and how you can ensure success from day one. When any part of this ecosystem falters, the entire pipeline can collapse. 3. The simple explanation at its core, C/CD stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment. It's about merging code changes regularly and deploying them quickly. However, just setting up a pipeline isn't enough. You need proper tools that fit your team's workflow, clear communication among team members, a culture that embraces testing and feedback. So, if any of these elements are off, your pipeline is at risk. 4. Real-world example. Let's dive into a startup called DevFast. They were ambitious, aiming for bi-weekly releases. Their C/CD pipeline seemed solid on paper, with tools like Jenkins and Docker. But within 3 months, they faced a major setback. During a routine deployment, a new feature caused the application to crash. The team had implemented automated tests, but they skipped critical edge cases. This oversight led to a downtime of over 12 hours, costing them nearly $50,000 in lost revenue and support costs. They learned the hard way that automated tests must cover all scenarios, not just the obvious ones. 5. What to do instead. To build a robust C/CD pipeline, follow these actionable steps. Step 1. Assess your team and tools, evaluate your team size. For teams under 5, simpler tools like GitHub Actions can suffice. For larger teams, consider Jenkins or GitLab C. Ensure tools are integrated. For instance, if you use Jira for project management, make sure it connects with your C/CD tools. Step 2. Define clear processes, document your workflow. What happens when code is merged? Who reviews it? Set up a code review process. Use pull requests to invite feedback before merging. Step 3. Prioritize comprehensive testing, implement unit, integration, and end-to-end tests. Aim for at least 80% test coverage. Regularly review and update your tests to include edge cases. Schedule time every sprint for this. Step 4. Monitor and iterate, set performance metrics. Monitor build times, aim for under 10 minutes. Review deployment success rates. If you're exceeding a 5% failure rate, it's time to investigate. Step 5. Foster a collaborative culture, encourage open communication. Hold daily stand-ups to discuss progress and blockers. Celebrate successes and learn from failures as a team. 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Skipping documentation. Many teams rush to build without documenting their pipeline. This creates confusion later. Fix. Spend time creating clear documentation that everyone can access. Mistake 2. Not prioritizing testing. Relying solely on automated tests can lead to problems. Fix. Integrate manual testing for critical features and edge cases. Mistake 3. Overcomplicating the pipeline. Too many tools can lead to chaos. Fix. Start simple, then scale. Focus on essential tools that meet your needs. Mistake 4. Ignoring team feedback. Team members might have insights that can improve the pipeline. Fix. Create a feedback loop where everyone can share thoughts regularly. Mistake 5. Neglecting continuous improvement. Once a pipeline is set, teams often forget to iterate. Fix. Schedule regular reviews of the C/CD process. Aim for a quarterly retrospective. 7. Quick checklist. Tools assessed and integrated? Clear documentation available? Test coverage at 80% or above? Build time under 10 minutes? Regular feedback loops established? If you can tick off all these items, you're on the right track. 8. Summary plus CTA. C/CD pipelines are powerful, but they require careful planning and execution. By understanding the common pitfalls and implementing the steps we discussed, you can avoid the costly mistakes that many teams make. If you found this information helpful, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech insights. Your successful C/CD journey starts here. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear. Quick recap: keep it simple, avoid over-engineering, and build the smallest thing that works. If you want a real demo or checklist, comment demo. Subscribe for practical AWS, DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes lessons.